Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your UWO Hr's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your UWO Hr's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in myhr.uwo.ca and make a search. You will end up on the login page of UWO Hr's account. Enter your user ID and password associated with your UWO Hr's account and tap on sign in. This is how you can log into your UWO Hr's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.